Why it is so significant? Or किऱ्या खातीर महत्वाचो आसा?
Well, carcinoma cervix, as we medically call it, or cancer cervix, is a very, very common disease. But in India, particularly so. If you see the world over, cervical cancer is the fourth from top in terms of number in the women all over the world. But in India, it is the second biggest killer.
Acha.
In India, we have 1/3 of the world's cases. Our population is 1/6, but in cervical cancer, 1/3 the world, 35% of the world's cases are in India.
Acha.
We are diagnosing about 70 to 80,000 cases a year, and we are having one death every 7 minutes in India alone because of cervical. Every 7 minutes.
Acha.
So by the time we have run into this program, 4 to 5 women would have lost their lives because of cervical cancer. Somebody's mother, somebody's sister. It's a terrible loss. And that is why it is very, very pertinent or very, very relevant to India, including Goa, because we have a lot of cervical cancer cases. Because this is a cancer that can be picked up in a very early stage and treated. That is why it is so relevant and so important to the Indian scenario, because we are the global capital of cervical cancer.